Mind-blowing industrial machines that redefined efficiency. Part 3. There are moments in the industrial world that make you stop, take a deep breath, and think, there's no way a machine can actually do this. Because what you're seeing isn't just metal, motors, and robotic arms running on code. It's precision that feels almost chilling. It's the rhythm that pulls you in. It's the kind of scene that makes you feel like you're standing in a factory, yet watching a sci-fi movie come to life. Today you're stepping into the world of mind-blowing industrial machines that redefine efficiency, where machines don't just work, they rewrite the rules. From robotic arms precise to the millisecond, to production lines that flow like a river that never sleeps, from automation technology capable of self-optimization to high-efficiency machines that can read the entire manufacturing process through thousands of sensors. This isn't your typical factory machines compilation. This is a journey into the heart of engineering technology where every spin, every clamp, every motion tells a story. You'll see satisfying machines running so smoothly, you'll want to rewind just to watch them again. You'll meet smart tools tiny enough to overlook, yet powerful enough to do the unexpected. And you'll witness automation systems so intelligent that they can turn an entire plant into a true smart factory. But today's story isn't just steel hitting steel. It's about the people behind it all. The engineers, the manufacturers, the technicians standing in the noise and sparks, pushing the limits of technology further every day. Before we dive in, if you love tech, love precision, and love that wow moment when machines come alive, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because this is the place for you where we celebrate mechanical power and the brilliant minds building the future. Ready? Let's step into a world where machines don't just operate, they redefine efficiency. The deeper you go into the world of industrial machinery, the clearer it becomes. Efficiency isn't a number, it's a philosophy. The machines you're about to see don't just run faster, they're built to set a brand new standard for the entire manufacturing industry. Picture a production line where every movement happens in near-perfect silence. The metal sheet enters, one robot presses, another cuts, another inspects, another packs. No waste, no hesitation, no errors. The whole system moves like a living organism, with sensors as its senses, software as its brain, and robotic arms as its muscles. That is the essence of modern automation technology. Speed, precision, self-learning capabilities, near infinite endurance. And beneath all of that lies a deeper meaning. These machines are changing the way we think about manufacturing. In the past, efficiency depended on manual skill. Today, it's amplified by algorithms, by vision systems that spot errors down to the millimeter, and by high-efficiency machines that optimize their energy use based on real operating conditions. They're not just working faster, they're working smarter. Take the satisfying machines in food processing plants. The blistering packaging speed, the flawless consistency, every pick, place, rotate motion fine-tuned like a mechanical dance. Or the trendy smart tools that can measure force, check quality, and stream real-time data back into the system so the line can auto-adjust itself. Every design, no matter how small, is a leap in engineering technology. Or look at the massive heavy machinery in steel, aluminum, and cement production lines. Gigantic in scale, yet they run smoother than a copper wire. They create the materials that shape our modern world, from skyscraper frames to bridge foundations. This is where technology, engineering, and mechanical power merge into one. And here's the beautiful thing. These machines don't just create products, they manufacture the future. They help factories cut energy consumption. They make processes steadier, cleaner, safer. They generate data, the new fuel of modern manufacturing. And most importantly, they open the door to the smart factory model where everything is connected, analyzed, predicted, and optimized non-stop. Behind every motion in an industrial process are decades of innovation, thousands of hours of testing, and millions of micro-adjustments. That's not just machinery, that's the legacy of engineers, the people who always ask, how can we make it even better? These machines make you whisper, this isn't just efficiency, this is mechanical art. When we stand in front of industrial machines running flawlessly, we often think this is the peak of technology. But there's something even greater, the human spirit behind every movement. Because no robot ever invented a way to cut metal as smooth as silk. No automation system ever asked itself, can we make this faster? And no smart factory ever built itself from scratch. Everything begins with engineers, designers, and machine operators, the people who dedicate their lives to turning ideas into motion, motion into performance, and performance into brand new industrial standards. If you look closely, you'll see every machine carries a human signature, the patience behind every drawing, the persistence behind every failed experiment, the courage to innovate, and the pride of watching something you built run flawlessly. In manufacturing, no success happens overnight. Behind a production line that flows like water are months of fine-tuning every millisecond. Behind an automation system are countless test cycles searching for the perfect algorithm. And behind every high-efficiency machine are hundreds of operators working in noise, oil, and pressure to bring it to perfection. That's why technology is never just steel, cables, sensors, or software. Technology is human ambition, packaged into the form of a machine. Those satisfying machines that move like a piece of music, they're the work of people who refuse to settle for good enough. Those tiny smart tools that outperform expectations, they come from minds that believe finesse matters more than raw power. Those massive heavy machines that hit absolute precision, they're born from people brave enough to blend science, art, and passion. Technology doesn't just help us produce faster, it teaches us a deeper truth. Humans can always surpass themselves as long as they keep creating. And when we watch a smart factory running smoothly, we know it's more than a technical achievement. It's a testament to our ambition to build a world that's sharper, safer, and stronger. In the end, the greatest lesson is this: machines can multiply efficiency, but only people can multiply dreams. As this journey comes to an end, look back at everything you've just experienced. Robotic arms moving like steel dancers, production lines flowing like an endless current of energy, industrial machines creating a rhythm you simply can't look away from. Together, they paint a vivid picture of the modern manufacturing world, where efficiency isn't just improved, it's redefined. And in this moment, as you feel the power of technology, one truth becomes crystal clear. We are living in an era where every machine carries the story of human progress. Imagine yourself standing inside a massive factory, light bouncing off metal surfaces, engines humming steadily like the heartbeat of a giant living organism. Around you, production lines never stop. A sheet of steel enters the press. A robotic arm rotates with precision. A laser beam sweeps across for quality inspection. Everything happens in one seamless motion, so flawless that you can't help asking, how did humans create something that runs this perfectly? The high-efficiency machines you admire don't just save energy, optimize workflows, or reduce errors. They do something even bigger. They open the door for people to step into greater roles, from operators to creators, from workers to orchestrators of an entire automation ecosystem. Today, automation systems don't just boost productivity, they're helping us build manufacturing environments that are safer, more sustainable, and far smarter. Every satisfying machine running silky smooth is a reminder that finesse matters. Every tiny smart tool delivering massive impact is proof of the power of precision. Every industrial process functioning like it's programmed is the story of decades of innovation. And then it hits you. It's in these moments, when machinery moves like art, that we truly see the limitless creativity of humanity. Every time industrial machines evolve, the world moves forward. Every time a production line gets optimized, the lives of millions get better. And every time a smart factory comes online, we take one step closer to a future where efficiency, safety, and creativity exist as one. But no matter how powerful technology becomes, one thing will never change. People
are the heart of it all. Without engineers, there would be no blueprints. Without machinists, there would be no movement. Without operators, there would be no flawless production lines. And without minds bold enough to dream big, no machine would ever reach the level of mind-blowing. So before we end this journey, I want you to do something simple but meaningful. If you feel proud of this industry, if you feel that rush when machines unleash their power, if you believe technology is how we build a better future, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Not just to spread the passion for engineering, but to empower the people working day and night to build the machines that shape our world. And always remember, machines don't build the future, people do.